In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this hexagon shape infographic in PowerPoint. Keys that I am using during the design you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. We will give it some different color. Yes. Go to insert and take this hexagon shape. Yes, by holding shift alt and drag it or make it small. Every time hold shift and alt and drag it. According to your requirement, you can make it small or large or big. Align middle and align center and Control D to duplicate it, place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Make align perfectly. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. And this one place is here. Yes, Control D to duplicate it to take another hexagon shape and drag it by holding shift and alt key. Yes, make it at the center. Align middle and align center and drag it from these left and right sides to align with the line of these small 6 hexagons lines, and select all these hexagons and fragment. And now select this one, this areas will be selected, this area, and this area will be selected, and control and delete. Now delete this one also. Yes, make outline, make it no outline, and we will give it some gradient color. I think this gradient will be, make it little bit, yes, this one is okay. Make it white. Yes, it's already white. Go to direction from up to down, and we will also give the gradient to shape outline. Keep in mind that shape outline will be shape gradient and outline gradient will be inverse to the fill gradient. Make it I think so, its width, make its size bigger. Okay, and bring to front. You will give it some shadow effect. I think this will be okay. Go to transparency. Transparency will be maybe 70, 103, and blur will be 6. And Control Shift C and Control Shift V. Now hold the Control Shift V and select one by one all these shapes, and the effect will be automatically transferred to the desired shape, and Control G to group it. Yes, Control G to group it and place it at the center of the slide. I have some written text. I will bring these text to the desired slide to save the time. Yes, I am going to keep this text, put this text to all 6 sides of the hexagon. Control D to duplicate it and place one by one to with the every with the every part of the hexagon. Yes, place it here. Yes, place it here and place this one here. Make this text at the center of the hexagon. Yes, it will be needed to make it little bit size smaller. Yes, I'm going to make it size small. I think yes, and very loose. Yes, put it here at the center of the hexagon. It's very small. I think so that you will make it little bit bigger in size. Yes, it's okay now. 24 is okay for the upper text, and the lower text will be also it's okay, and we will make it the space to maybe 9 10 something. No, it's need more to give it space. I think so. So it will be okay. Yes, now it's okay. Yes, you can put your logo at the top of this at the top of this infographic text. Upper or lower the text, you can place your logo here. Also, I'm going to ungroup it. I need this heading. Just I will delete these text and put the heading one by one to all these 6 parts of the hexagon. Yes, Control D to duplicate it, and by holding shift and rotate and place it at on the other part of this hexagon. It's okay. Control D to duplicate it, and so on. Friends, I will provide the link of this file. If you need it, please contact me and comment on my video. I will provide you the file in PPT. You can use this file for your personal use, and you cannot share it to others. And please subscribe my channel and watch the video full. I will I must drop the link of this file in PPT. You can use it for your own. Yes, oh sorry, Control Z to back, and now rotate this one and place it on the shape number 6, part number 6. You may shape or part, whatever you can want, you can say. Go to the icon tab, and here you can find your desired icon according to your text. Please type in the search tab your text. You will find your desired icons. Insert and bring it to the slide by holding shift alt and make it little bit smaller. It's okay. We will put it at the side. Now I'm going to put one by one over on these sides of the hexagon. It's need little bit more smaller. Yes, now it's okay. Place one by one all these 6 icons. Okay, it's okay. Now I'm going to graphic fill to change its color to a different one. This is okay. We will also change the text color. Yes, change this text color to another different one color. This is okay. I think this will be okay. Change also the color of the icons too according to the text. I'm in a hurry that the video is going to very long, therefore I'm trying to sum up this video as soon as possible. And thank you for watching this video, and I will definitely drop the link of the file. Thank you.